Are you looking for the best earwax removal in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best earwax removal that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Vafee Earwax Removal Control. This is an ergonomically designed earwax removal featuring a handle with 16 replacement heads for comfortable use. It is a beautiful and practical earwax removal tool that will keep your ears clean every time. Besides, it has spiral heads that use flexible and soft silicone that will not harm your canal. The safe and simple to use design makes the earwax remover great for kids and adults without worrying about safety concerns. Our earwax removal control is simple to use, where you insert the tip slowly into the ear canal, then twist in the direction of the arrow. At number 4, Bionics OtoClear WaterPit Kit. It is a safe ear irrigation kit that uses flared ear tips that direct water to the ear canal wall with 3 divergent streams. The kit will irrigate your ear without damaging the eardrum or causing complications. Furthermore, it is a portable electronic device that provides pulsed irrigation at the push of a button. The kit is mess-free, where the ear irrigation tips will help prevent backsplash while the included ear basin will catch the water flushed from the ears. Our kit includes a portable water pick, 40 OtoClear tips, and 1 ear basin. It has a 210 ml reservoir that gives a high volume than the manual device to enhance adequate irrigation. At number 3, Dr. Easy Wax RX Ear Wash System. This earwax system is simple to use as it comes with user instructions that are easy to understand for a safe operation. It makes cleaning your ears at home easy, with no doctor required to visit. The kit is compact but very useful when it comes to cleaning your ear. It contains post-wash rinse, pre-wash drops, and an ear basin to give you a safe and simple way to keep your ears clean. Our ear wash system will provide you with 3 complete washes in one convenient kit. At number 2, Neilmed Kyrosol Earwax Removal Aid. The ear cleaner aid has a syringe feature that enables you to control the flow for maximum effectiveness and user comfort. It has a patented technology that provides you ultimate safety and comfort. Besides, it comes in a 15 ml bottle of glycerin ear drops that loosen excessive wax in your ear. Our kit includes 2 earplugs, an ear washer, a storage sleeve, and 1 15 ml bottle. The ear cleaner comes with simple to use instructions that will help you operate the kit with ease. It has an irrigation tip that provides exceptional effectiveness, and it will not cause damage to your eardrum. At number 1, CleanseRight Earwax Removal Kit. This is a quality kit with many tips, a good price, and most tools to help your family remove wax fast at home. It includes a detailed user manual with instructions that will help you operate the kit safely. The kit has one 0.5 ounces bottle that offers enough liquid to clean your ear effectively. It has a rubber bulb syringe that can be used for both spraying cleaning water to clean the ear or remove excess earwax. Using this wax removal kit is pain-free, and it will not irritate your ears. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.